The Indian constitution has evolved over centuries, influenced by various legal and administrative frameworks set by colonial rulers. The journey began with the British rule, introducing several acts that shaped the governance structure of India. Regulating Act of 1773. The Regulating Act of 1773 was the first step towards central administration in India. It established the Governor-General of Bengal and created a Supreme Court in Calcutta to regulate the East India Company's activities. Pitt's India Act, 1784. Pitt's India Act of 1784 introduced a dual system of control, where political affairs were overseen by the British government while commercial activities remained with the East India Company. Charter Act of 1813. The Charter Act of 1813 ended the monopoly of the East India Company over Indian trade, except for tea and trade with China, allowing other British merchants to trade in India. Charter Act of 1833. The Charter Act of 1833 made the Governor-General of Bengal the Governor-General of India, centralizing administration and making laws applicable across all British territories in India. Charter Act of 1853. The Charter Act of 1853 was the first act to introduce open competition for the Indian civil services, marking the beginning of merit-based recruitment. Government of India Act, 1858. Following the revolt of 1857, the Government of India Act, 1858 abolished the rule of the East India Company and transferred control to the British Crown, with the Secretary of State for India overseeing administration.